My name is Frank Ofe. Good evening. Today I'm here to talk about La Pre, your first hack, part one. Let me start. We're going to talk about Kiptrix One virtual machine. Kiptrix One virtual machine is a virtual based machine internationally configured with security flaws to help individuals practice ethical hacking and also help professionals in cybersecurity to help the environment and control and design to also run vulnerability and maintain the environment and to detect all the exploitations and also flaws within the virtual machine systems. The nmap command. The nmap commands. This is the first nmap command that ran. The command I used was the nmap sv version, which is the intensive version 5 to detect the IP address of my system. Um, to detect a version of the second nap command that runs was nap-o, and the IP address of my system it was detected. Third command was the nap script vulnerability and in the run of IP address to detect all the vulnerabilities within my virtual machines. The nap command's first nap command was run, like I said, the VS, the SVE version, sensitive IP address to detect version of services, and the second command that was run -o also detect the IP address detection, and the third was the command that was run a script to detect vulnerabilities within my IP addresses in my virtual machine. Let me jump on to the flaws and hepatitis methodology. System analysis and penetration techniques is in which the specification and documentation of an information system, usually the IS, analyze to introduce a phase of the hypothetical flows. The first prioritize on base of the estimated probability and flows exist, and also is exploiting it on the extent of control the compromise it could provide. Like the foundings of hepatitis based on the results of the initial NAP scan of the Cuptrix version 1 with the VM machines, which reveals the open port was the port 80 services and also follow the services can be made that since the Cuptrix 1 VM is running other version of services such as the Apache, HTTP, and also SQL, MySQL, which is likely vulnerable to well-known exploits, including the remote code existing, which is SQL injection. In particular, the updated version of Apache on port 80 may be susceptible to vulnerabilities such as the buffer overflow or remote command executions potentially. Vulnerability map is a visual tool that highlights security weaknesses within a system, illustrates how the flaws could be exploited by attackers to gain unauthorized access or control. The flaw 1 and flaw 2, the root cause is illustrated on the instructions and also the PowerPoint where the port 80 with updated version and also the SQL running port 3306 is susceptible to SQL injection attack. And here are my references to the PowerPoint. And also, thank you for listening to me. I hope you enjoy my presentation, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.